Is it permissible for me to say Vande Mataram, which means I bow down to my mother's land? Vande Mataram.
And give the priority to your country over your religion. This is totally unacceptable in Islam.
Okay, I will answer you inshallah. He said that a phrase which translates to I bow to my mother country. No, this is not permissible to say or to do. And I think there is something similar to that, like in Japanese or in Hindi, it's called namaste or namastai or whatever. And it means I bow to you. And this is not permissible as well. This is not permissible at all, because we Muslims only bow to Allah Azza wa Jal. Even if the culture of my country or my tribe is to bow or to squat or to prostrate, I do not do this because I'm a Muslim first, and my religion governs everything else. And this is why we say, قُلْ إِنَّ صَلَاتِي وَنُسُكِي وَمَحْيَايَ وَمَمَاتِي لِلَّهِ رَبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ. Say that verily my prayers, my sacrifice, my life and my death are all for Allah Azza wa Jal. I'm driven by the Sharia, by the Quran and the Sunnah, and not by the customs or the culture. So saying such a statement is totally prohibited, and Allah knows best.
Muhammad says, is it allowed to personify countries by an image as a woman, for example? Back in India, there is a famous slogan which says, victory to Mother India, where the country is shown as an ugly dressed Hindu goddess. I don't feel comfortable while saying such things. Moreover, recently a Muslim politician said that no Muslim should say this. Is he right? I have no knowledge of what you are referring to, Muhammad. Nevertheless, to have an image of a woman claiming she is a goddess, this is total blasphemy. And for us as Muslims, we don't believe in this, let alone repeat it or sing it or even respect it. This is not part of our religion and our conviction. And no one can force you to believe in something that you don't want to believe. And India is well known for its freedom of religion. And I don't know if this is applicable now or not, but definitely you are not permitted to repeat such sayings or slogans if they have in their national anthem where you bow to something of the sort, a goddess or a flag or a country. We don't bow except to Allah Azza wa Jal. We don't prostrate except to Allah Azza wa Jal. Not even to the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. We do not bow or prostrate. Therefore, what you're asking about is totally not permissible for a Muslim to do. And it is important to acknowledge the fact that we are Muslims initially. Then we are citizens of the country we live in. So I'm a Muslim, then I'm a Saudi. It's not the other way around. I'm a Muslim, then I'm an Indian. I'm a Muslim, then I'm an American. But it is totally unacceptable to be a citizen of a country and give the priority to your country over your religion. This is totally unacceptable in Islam.